over the years. That's a 57 DeSoto Fireflite station wagon. It's the only known, at least officially, the only known 9-passenger with a third seat in the back factory air Fireflite station wagon in 57. Two-owner car. We started restoring it a few years ago. We took the body off the frame and did all of the chassis. Everything has been powder coated, and everything mechanically has been rebuilt. Most of the chrome has been redone. And then I sold the car to a man from Canada who wanted to use it as a towing vehicle for his 57 DeSoto convertible going to car shows. And we packed it up and sent it to him, and he changed direction with his collection and decided he wasn't into 57 DeSotos anymore, so nothing ever got done to the car. And about a year ago I bought it back and brought it back here again. So once I decide what color we're going to do the car, it's time to work on it again, but I have a hard time deciding colors. It's a very, very good car.
And the engine has been rebuilt as well?
Engine has been rebuilt, transmission, front end, brakes. Mechanically it's completely rebuilt.
And the interior is going to be redone as well, or is
it? Oh
yeah,
it'll be completely done.
Depending on the color of the car.
Depending on the color, yeah. Right now I'm leaning toward either yellow and white with a green interior, or maybe black with a coral, kind of an orangey red roof and insert on the sides, but we don't know yet.
And is it the one with the electric back window?
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's got the 341 Hemi like DeSoto's had in those days. Good engine, 3-speed push-button torque fight.
What sort of power do this engine?
275, 300, no, maybe more than that. I don't remember. Yeah, it must be more than that. Yeah, because it's a 4-barrel. Yeah, it's probably 325 or so.
Okay.
Heavy engine, heavy car.
Yeah.
But they were good driving cars. You could go on a vacation in a car like this if it's in good condition.
Yeah. What sort of fuel consumption does that get? 10, 15 if it's...
Yeah. I don't think you'll ever reach 15.
Yeah.
10, 12 I would assume.
Yeah. For a car of this era, I guess it's not too bad, is it?
No, it's acceptable. It's got a big, heavy engine and very heavy transmission. It's a cast iron transmission and big, heavy bumpers. It's just a heavy car. There's a lot of weight to move.
And the original brakes could keep up with the weight of a car?
They were good brakes, 12-inch brakes. They were good brakes. They're a little bit difficult to adjust. People have problems with them locking up, especially on the right front. But if you do them right, they're good. They're great brakes.
Okay.
They're 12-inch by 2.5-inch wide in the front.
Oh.
They got a pretty good bite.
Yeah.
I had an idea for a while to put a 6.4 modern Hemi in it with a 500 horse, 494 horse or 596 horse. The car would be a fun driver if you did that, but it's so rare. I'm going to have to keep it original.
Yeah. If you change the engine, would it be more difficult to sell it afterwards?
You lose some buyers, but I think you gain other buyers, so I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't think so. If it's done properly and the final resort is a good car, you might add a little bit to the value of a car.
Okay.
You are going to lose all the people that want original cars, but like I said, there's other younger people, they want cars that are more modern under the hood, and modern brakes and more comfortable interiors, so they can actually go places with their cars.
But I guess with such a rare car, it makes sense to keep it original.
That's what kept me from doing it.
So what color was it originally?
I don't remember. It's been so long, I don't remember. Blue maybe, but I could be wrong. It's been in primer for so long, I can't remember.
Yeah. And this one's going to be sold once it's finished as well, or?
I'm sure it'll be sold. Yeah.